What's up, guys? This is Cooking with RyRy. Here we are. I've always wanted a cooking show. This is the best I'm gonna get. You want to learn chicken parmesan? You want to impress that girl that you've been trying to have over? Today, I'm gonna show you how to turn this into this. Oh, yeah. Let's get started. For this, you're gonna need pasta, sauce, panko, seasoning, 2 eggs, and flour. Pour a little flour. Oh, too much flour. Oh, that's too much, man. Too much flour. Ugh. Okay, all right, we're good. Fold it up. Let's put it away. All right, now we put a little Italian seasoning, little that good stuff. Add a little bit of the panko, that extra crunch. It's that good stuff. Yeah, close them lids so we don't accidentally spill them later. Let's grab these eggs, crack them. You only need 1 hand. One's all you need. Crack them. Don't you worry about, if you spill it a little. That's alright, we'll clean it later. No worries. It's a little salmonella. We're good. Alright, 2 eggs down. Let's go. We're gonna stir it up, whisk it. Keep on whisking it. Don't even worry if it's done. We're gonna keep on whisking it. We're gonna beat it up. We're gonna beat them eggs. Gonna beat them till they're down. And then we still ain't done. Gonna keep on whisking. 'Cause we want to. Alright, here we go. A little bit of oil. You don't need a lot. A lot of people use a lot of oil. A lot. But we don't need a lot of oil. We just need a little bit. We could add a little bit more later. Make sure we turn our pasta water on, because if we forget, then we're delayed on the ready pasta before the ready chicken. We gotta have it timed perfectly. Otherwise, everything gets cold, and then our date is very sad. Make sure your pan gets hot so that your oil is at a nice temperature. Warm up your hands if you're cold. Even though it's Florida, it's not really ever cold. Have your tea ready on the side there just for no reason. Alright, our oil's hot. We can spin it around, make it look pretty. Move our glass plate aside so we don't crack it for the heat. We cut our chicken up, cut it in half so we get double the money's worth. Slide it up on that flour plate. Wash your hands, dry your hands. Turn down the heat on the oil because we almost forgot and almost burned that shit. Now we're gonna drink our tea. We're gonna drop our eggs down in the middle next to the chicken. We're gonna do a really cool camera effect there. And then we're gonna drop some pasta in the water. Just like that, yep. Only need a half a box. We don't need a whole box. We ate the other half yesterday. Gonna stir that shit. Make sure you turn the water down because we like that pasta slowly cooked. Learned that from Grandma Noonie. It's not even my grandma, but someone else's Grandma Noonie. She was cool. We're gonna point at the chicken here, and then we're gonna show these other things that we point at, because for some reason we're gonna soak the chicken in the flour first, because for some reason I learned this when I was a kid, and it absorbs the egg a lot better, holds on to it. That's good. It's a good thing. Then you want to use the oh fuck. Then you want to use the egg on the chicken, and you're gonna put that shit on your panko and your Italian seasoning, because that's some cool stuff right there. That's how you make it good. Yeah. Not a lot of people like to do this because it's messy. I don't really care though. We're gonna do some more chicken because we gotta cook it all. We're already committed. Add some more panko after washing our hands because we don't want to get salmonella on everything. Get that extra crunch because we use some panko, so we add a little bit more here just like that. Yeah, some good stuff. We're gonna point at the burners here to make sure that we're not burning shit. And then we're gonna warm up our hands a little bit more because we were feeling kind of cold. Alright, we're gonna point at the wooden stick here because if stuff overflows for some reason, wooden sticks make it not overflow. And yeah, then we're gonna stir it, and we're gonna get that chicken ready. Add a little bit more oil because, you know, it's freaking dried up already, so it's all good. We don't need a lot of oil, just a little dab. Shake it up. You know, that little shake there is to separate the heat a little bit so we don't burn it. And then we get some other chicken just kind of prepared on the side there. Yeah. We're going to wash our hands, dry them. Gonna flip the chicken just like so. So again, we don't burn that shit because then our date is ruined. It's gonna be real good, real good. Nice and slow cooked. Always cook the chicken on the slow. We're done with the eggs here now. We can toss them out. All right, we're done with the flour because we used way too much anyway. We can't reuse that shit. Gotta throw that out. Gonna flip the chicken here. Yeah, that's good stuff. I'm really hungry at this point, so I'm just gonna have a little snack here. Yeah, that was perfect timing. Thumbs up, double thumbs up. Now we're gonna get this water ready for the pasta and just stir it some more because we want to. And, you know, we forgot, so here we are doing a little dance here before we strain that pasta because you gotta do a dance. It's just grooving. I don't know what the heck I'm doing here, but, you know, I'm having some fun, so hope you are too. There's another cool little camera effect for you guys. Thank you, Sony Vegas. Parmesan cheese on the side there. Thank you, Walmart. This is what it's going to look like in the end if you know what you're doing. You're going to kiss your hand and do something cool, and then kiss your wife if you have one. You know, if not, you can kiss yourself in the mirror or something. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. This has been Cooking with RyRy. Here's some extra stuff of me almost burning the chicken, but, you know, it was wonderful. We're gonna stir some more pasta here. Yeah, something like that. I think we're done. Is this video over? Oh, here's a little self-advertisement here. Some music. The song here is Retro Grooves. And then I wanted to rename it to Waves, so I just kind of put them both in there. It's now Waves Retro Groove. You could download this song on Reverb Nation for the free if you become a fan at reverbnation.com/RyanAdamOlmedo. There's the link in the description below. We're going to do that cool thing that dude did with the salt, but with some parsley instead. And then we're going to drop some Parmesan cheese on our kids' plate. And then we're going to point at the chicken here to show you how not to get salmonella. You don't want that shit looking pink. You want it white and gravy. Minus the gravy, though. And then it's going to look like this if you're awesome and you've cooked for a long time, you know. But if not, it's okay. You know, you tried. Trial and error. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm actually hungry again watching this, so I might have another plate. Oh my gosh, that is... Oh. Oh, yeah.